In a sun-drenched village nestled against the red earth of Africa lived a young boy named Benjamin. Though their home was humble and their pockets were empty, Benjamin's heart was full of a quiet, burning determination. He watched his mother work tirelessly, her hands weathered, but her spirit unbroken by the weight of poverty. One morning, Benjamin found his late father's old tools, rusted but waiting for a new purpose. He set out to clear the overgrown land, fighting back thick weeds that had claimed the family farm for years. The midday sun was fierce, and the work was grueling. Yet Benjamin did not complain, wiping the sweat from his brow. With every seed he planted in the dry soil, he whispered a prayer for growth, sustenance, and hope. "O Allah," he would pray, "grant me the strength to provide for my mother and the patience to wait for your blessing." His mother watched him from the porch with a gentle smile, her silent support giving him the courage to continue. Then, a great storm rolled in, drenching the parched earth and testing the young boy's resolve once more. While repairing a section of the fence near the ancient, towering baobab tree, something caught Benjamin's eye in the mud. A metallic glint sparkled beneath the tangled roots, washed clean by the heavy rains of the afternoon. With trembling hands, he unearthed a sturdy wooden chest, hidden away for generations in the deep, dark earth. Inside lay a treasure of old coins and a beautifully preserved scroll, written in his late father's handwriting. The scroll spoke of faith. True wealth is found in the soil of perseverance and the trust we place in the Creator. With the treasure, Benjamin transformed the old farm into a lush, green paradise overflowing with life and abundance. They shared their harvest with the entire village, ensuring that no neighbor would have to go hungry again. Under the golden glow of the setting sun, Benjamin realized that hard work and faith are the greatest secrets of all.